Hi, so I'm going to repot some white prickly poppy seedlings that I started from seed maybe a month, 2 months ago. I collected the seeds from around the corner. There are some growing in the right-of-way, and I noticed, and I collected some seeds back in the summer, and I thought I've always wanted to grow them in our right-of-way in the garden, and I've just never had any luck. And I started these and they germinated, so they've done really well, and now I just want to thin them and let them grow. So we're gonna see what they look like here. I don't know if they're gonna have the deep tap roots like other poppies. Doesn't look like that one doesn't look so deep at the moment, so I'm gonna try to thin them out here without damaging too much. Okay, yeah, there is a bit of a taproot on them, you can see, but it's not terrible. They're not too long yet, so I don't know. I'm gonna see if I can get some of this transplanted. And I want to get them a little bit bushier and bigger, and then I want to transplant some to our right-of-way. And I want to transplant a few into our garden itself. And hopefully after that it will just self-sow and I won't have to do this again. But I've not had good luck in the past with seeds that I've bought. They have just never really germinated, but these were super fresh, you know, hyper local seeds. Pull apart some of these others. I don't know, I put together 4 pots. Hopefully that'll be enough here. Try to put a couple seedlings per pot until they get a little bigger, and then I will eventually maybe even give them one more pot by themselves. We'll see how that goes. Okay, so I'm probably gonna have to make one more pot of soil. And prickly poppies, there's a couple of different species. I think this is the albiflora or alba. Don't hold me on the exact name. I'll put it on the video here. There's a couple different ones out west. I'm not sure on the top of my head the range, but they definitely need drier habitat usually. And let me put together another, well, I don't like those soils or those pots. Actually, I guess I could just use this pot, but easier just to start fresh. Get those cotyledons. I broke a cotyledon. That's fine though. And let's get some of these on the sides. This will be a big enough pot to put 4 in, which is what, oh, wait, I have 5 left, just kidding. Got some mulch hiding in that. Don't want that. There we go. Oh wait, haha, there's actually 6 in the head left. So, you know what? We're gonna do this. I have this extra pot and a random pecan hanging in there. And we're just gonna put them in here. Boom. Okay, then I'm gonna water them in. A little bit of mist. Oh. Missed one there. I always like to mist my seedlings in because other hard water is just kind of too much water for some of these seedlings. All right, and hopefully, now they're thinned out, hopefully they'll be able to be a little more robust and grow up, and we'll see what they look like next time I check in.